Como vous appelez-vous? What's your name? Je m'appelle Srishti Sharma.
That's amazing.
Où habitez-vous? Where do you live? Noida.
Okay, so how you want to say Jabit? Okay, so you are going to say Jabit Delhi. So this is the answer. Okay, Jabit. Do you see the slide?
Yes.
Jabit, J
Yes.
apostrophe, right? So this is Jabit Delhi. Okay, Jabita Delhi, Jabita Noida. All right. Okay. Okay. Third question. Yeah. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Como ça va?
Ça va bien. Avez-vous?
Very good. Okay. So next question. Quel âge avez-vous? Yes.
Quel âge avez-vous? What is your age?
Yes.
J'ai 8 ans.
8 ans. Okay. Next one.
Comment allez-vous?
Okay. So this
How
is,
are you?
yeah. Comment allez-vous? Okay. Comment
Comment
allez-vous?
allez-vous?
Yes. All right.
Comment allez-vous? How are you?
Okay.
Ça va très bien.
Ça va très bien. Very good. Okay. So informal question. Read informal question also.
Informal.
Yeah.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Okay.
Où habites-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Comment ça va?
Como ça va? Very good. Okay. So Shivansh, it's your turn. Read the formal question and answer also. Okay.
Comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle Shivansh.
Okay.
Où habitez-vous?
Où habitez? Right?
Où habitez-vous?
Où habitez-vous?
Je.
Wow. Very good.
Je en India.
Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, Jabit. So you have to say Jabit. Okay, où habitez-vous? So you are going to say Jabit. Okay, Jabit Delhi. Okay. All right. So next question. Read the next question.
All right. Quel âge avez-vous?
Okay. Quel âge avez-vous? Very good. Okay. Okay. So this is the answer. J'ai.
Yes.
Yeah.
J'ai 5 ans.
5 ans. Very good. Okay. Next one.
Comment allez-vous?
Okay.
Ça va mal.
Ça va mal? Okay. All right. Okay. So read the informal question also. Just read the question.
Je m'appelle Cheval.
Okay.
Où habites-tu? J'habite à Delhi.
Okay.
Quel âge as-tu?
Quel âge? J'ai 5 ans. Okay. Next one.
Comment ça va? Ça va mal.
Ça va mal. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now, do you see the screen? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, I can.
Okay, all right. So this will be your homework. Okay. So I will share this slide in the group so you can answer it later. Okay, these are the questions that we have
Okay.
already discussed. Okay, all right. That's great. So I'm moving towards the next screen. I'm sharing another screen. Just hold on. So do you know the numbers till 20? You remember?
Order to a cat sang.
Okay.
And
Do you remember the numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Just read it very quickly.
Order to a cat sang seas set with this.
Okay, all right. So, okay, read this slide also.
Alright. Ons, dos, tres, cuatros, quins, seis, dix, sept, dix, hui. I mean, dix, sept, dix, huit, dix, neuf, and
And this is, okay, this is wa. Okay, 20 as in wa. Okay.
wow.
And you know, Shivan, so this is these. Okay, these set, not dix. So although you see D-I-X, but how you are going to pronounce it? These. Okay.
These.
Can you say these? These
Yes, ma'am.
set, these set, these with. Okay. All right. So Srishti, okay, start reading. Yeah.
Ons, dos, tres,
Hmm.
cats,
Ketos. So 14 as
ketos,
ketos. Okay.
ket,
Hmm.
nef,
Kens. So 15 as
Kens.
in Kens. Okay.
Kens.
Shivansh, 15 as in Kens. Okay. Kens. Kens. Yes. 16 as in says. Okay. Says. Says. Yeah. Says. Yeah. These with. These. Yeah. Hmm. Wow. 20 as in wow. Okay. Wow. Can you say wow? Wow. Very good. Okay, Nikunj, it's your turn. Say nom. Yes.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Wow. All right. Very good. So today, we are going to do a small activity based on the numbers. Okay. So you remember the number names?
Yes.
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 Spelling also. You know the spelling also. Ons, dos. Spelling learn है आपको? Srishti, Shivansh, Nikunj. You know the
Yes.
spell? Yes. Srishti, what about you? You know the
Yes,
spelling?
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. So I'm sharing the screen. Oh wow, it's an amazing question. Okay. Okay. Before we start doing this question, first we will do this question. Okay. Yes. Do you see
Okay,
something on the screen?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So, can you try to understand what what the question is saying to you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like
Yes.
10 plus 3 equals what? 13.
Yeah, exactly. So you have to add the numbers, and also you have to write the number also. So it is written in okay. The word is written, for example, these. So these as in 10. Okay. So you have to write the number also and write the sum also. Okay. So write this. Okay. Do this activity. Okay. So will you be able to do this? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
But what is that,
Plus
ma'am?
trois. Okay. Yes. So how to say plus? Plus as in plus. Okay. Plus as in plus. Okay. These plus trois. Now
These
plus
two
sept.
are
Yes. With plus trois. These plus
I'm
sept.
going to write down in a notebook.
Yeah. Plus. So plus. Just write it as plus.
Is
P-L-U-S. Yes. P-L-U-S, same as plus. Okay. We just
Plus.
say it as plus.
These plus stress.
Yeah, very good.
Just a minute.
Yeah, start writing in your notebook, okay? So, Srishti, start reading also. Okay, first read it. Yeah. Read all the
These
questions. Yeah.
plus stress.
Thwa. No, not thes, but this
Thwa.
is thwa. Yes.
Thwa.
Second question. Yes. Now.
Next. Now plus set
Okay. Next one.
with plus
Very good. E plus
thread.
thwa. So this is
Thwa.
thwa. Okay.
Thwa.
Next one. Yeah.
Six.
Hmm.
The plus set.
Seth. Okay, all right. Okay, Shivansh, it's your turn. Yeah, read them. Yes.
These plus thwa
Wow.
is equal to 13.
Okay. So 13 will be? Thirteen will be?
These two are.
No, 13 will be thes.
Yes.
Thes, 13. Okay.
These two is equal to thes.
Thes. Wow. Okay, second question.
Nuf plus sep
Hmm.
is equal to
Hmm. Hmm.
this sep.
This set? No. So 9 plus 7. What will be the answer? 9 plus 7. 9
plus 7.
Yeah, 9 plus 7 will be, count on your fingers. Okay. 9.
9 plus 7. 16 है.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 9 plus 7 will be 16.
Wow, 16. Yes. So 16 will be, any guess? 16 will be?
16.
Yeah, 16 will be?
This
Says.
Set? No. Okay. I am sharing the screen. Okay, you will find it out of your own. Okay? Okay.
is
So, now tell me the answer. 9 plus 7 is 16. Yes. So 16, let's find out.
says.
Says. Very good. So 16 as in? 16 as in says. Okay. Now you got the answer? Okay.
Yes.
Third one.
Ma'am,
Shivansh, read the third one.
do we solve? So write the answers.
Yeah, write the answers also.
Ma'am, so can
Yeah.
is equal to
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me write
how to
here.
write 30 is equal to
Okay. So I'm writing here. Okay. So 10. Okay. These plus thwa. So the answer will be, okay, let me write here. So these will be 10. Yes. Okay.
yes.
Thwa will be, yes, tell me. Thwa will be 3.
3.
Yes. So answer
30.
will be 13.
30.
Okay. We all agree. Okay. So 13 will be thes. So T-R-E-I-Z-E. Yes. Thes.
10.
Thes. Okay. So write this in your notebook.
Ma'am, I don't have 11 till 20 written in my notebook.
No, you have not yet written. Okay. So you can
Yes,
write it
ma'am.
later. Okay.
I was traveling.
Okay. All right. So the next number is nuf. So nuf will be 9. Yes. Yes. Nuf
Yes.
is 9. Very good. Next number is Seth. Seth is 7.
7.
Wow. So 9 plus 7 will be 16.
16.
That's great. So 9 plus 7, we all know this is 16. Okay. So 16 is, yes, says, S-E-I-Z-E. 16 is says.
Says.
Says. Very good. Okay, Nikunj. Okay, Nikunj.
Yes.
Okay, so would you like to read it? Read the first question.
10 plus 3.
Okay. So the answer will be
13.
thez. Okay. Second question.
9 plus 7.
Very good.
16.
Says. Very good. Third question.
With plus 3.
Twa. Very good. So the answer will be
11.
okay. Very good. Next one.
10 plus 7.
Okay.
17.
This set. Very good. So let me write here also. Third one. Okay. So wheat will be 8. Yes. Thwa will be
Yes.
3. That's amazing. So 8 plus 3 will be Srishti. What will be the answer? 8 plus 3?
8 plus 3.
Yeah.
11.
11. Okay. Shivansh, 8 plus 3 will be?
11.
Okay. Yes.
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 8 plus 3 equals 11.
11. So I'm writing here
Ons.
on.
Ons.
Now you got it. Okay. So O-N-Z-E. Yes. This is the spelling?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. All right.
Yes.
So next one will be okay. So let me finish this. Then you can okay. Then you can do in your notebook. Okay. Let me finish.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I already started thinking. I have a question.
Okay.
What is equal to in French and give me the spelling?
Okay. I will tell you. Okay. I'll write it here. Okay. I'll write all the words. Okay. Plus, minus. Okay. So that you can write it in your notebook. Okay. So just write it down. Let us finish this task. Then I will share that slide also. Okay. So this is 10. Yes. 10. Set is 7. Yes. So 10 plus 7 will be this set. So D-I-X-S-E-P-T. Okay.
Ma'am, look.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Are you done, Srishti?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Show me. Yeah, that's better. Very good. On, says, okay, thes, okay. Very good. All right. That's great. Are you done with the last question also? Fourth point? 10
Yes.
plus 7?
Ma'am,
Yeah. Very good.
ma'am, can you share the 11 to 20, please?
Yeah.
Because I haven't wrote it.
Okay. All right. So you can write it also. Okay. Okay. Here is the slide. Okay. Nikunj, are you writing it?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can't see that slide.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. This one. Okay, let me share this slide in the group also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know
Yeah.
why I stopped the video? Because
Why?
because the device is not charging and my mom needs to figure it out.
Oh, okay. So now can you hear me?
Oh, yes, I can.
Okay. All right. Okay. So I'm sharing that slide in the group also. Okay, Srishti?
Yes, ma'am, I can't see.
Okay.
No,
Hold
ma'am,
on.
it's not there.
Yeah, I will share it now. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Now you can see in the group also. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right.
On two. Okay.
Yeah.
On 12. Now it's fixed, ma'am.
Fixed? Okay. All right. Yeah, that's great. Okay. All right. Okay. So one more thing, you know what? So just let me know once you are done with this. Okay, Shivansh? Okay, I will tell you one important thing.
I'm still doing, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Finish it, then let me know. Okay, Nikunj, can you tell me the meaning of ajute? Ajute le, écrivez. Yeah, Nikunj? Yes.
I don't know what it means.
Ma'am, I also don't know what it
You
means.
don't know? Okay. Srishti, you want to try?
Yes.
What is the meaning of this word? Ajute le,
Write
ajute. Okay. All right.
the letters
Okay. En lettres.
in French.
Écrivez en lettres. Okay. So first finish your task, then I will tell you the meaning of this line. So this is the question that is
Yes,
sent to you. Okay. So these are the requirement. Okay. So this is how you are going to answer it.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
how to pronounce the
Okay. All right. So Nikunj, okay. So just write these two this question in your notebook also. Okay. Write this portion also.
Ma'am, how to
En lettres.
pronounce
Okay. You have
French?
notebook? You have notebook with
Yes.
you? Okay. Write
Yes.
this line in your notebook. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah. Very good.
Ma'am, how to
Yeah.
pronounce 15 in French?
What? How to pronounce
15.
50? 50 as in
Yes.
sencon? Sencon? Con?
Sing on. Okay. Sing.
Sencon. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sencon. Yes.
E and 9 words are E S E S E N letters. Ma'am, I have written for the first two one. For the fourth, I have to. I'm yet to write.
Ma'am, I've written it.
Ma'am wrote it. Says Um, 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 Ma'am, everything is out of its place in your share screen. Oh. Ma'am, someone is moving it. Yes, it's Nikunj. Ma'am, you're muted. We can't hear you. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now, can you see this? Are you done?
Someone,
Last वाला लिखो 30 plus 7.
no, ma'am,
These-
I'm just writing. I'm
Okay,
just
right?
writing the last two,
Bunch.
3 and 4.
Yeah. So done?
Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay, all right.
These plus set.
Hmm.
Yes, give
So
this.
do set, yes. Okay, this set. Okay, that's great.
ये बनियान डाल रखी थी इधर निकाल दिया पापा ने निकाल दिया
Bonjour, Moksh. Bonjour. You joined late?
Yes.
Bonjour.
Yes.
Como ça va? Como ça va?
Samabia.
Sabia. Okay, so you know we are doing an activity. So because you joined late, so you can do it later. Okay. All right. So I'll share these slides in the group.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have
Done. Numbers from 11 till 20.
yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. So now you know the spelling of the numbers also. Yes. So what is
Yes.
the spelling of Thes? Who will tell me the spelling of Thes? 13.
Yes.
Thes. Yes.
Ma'am, I know. Srishti.
Okay.
T-R-E-I-Z-E.
And the spelling of Says. What is the spelling of
Says.
Says? Yeah.
S-E-I-Z-E.
Okay, Shivansh, tell me the spelling of 13. Yes. 13. Yeah.
13.
Yeah.
T-R-E-I-Z-E.
Very good. And 16 says.
S-E-I-Z-E.
That's great. Okay. So now tell me the spelling of ons. 11. Ons.
O-N-D-E.
Okay. Those. Those.
D-I-X-S-E-P-T.
But I'm saying those. I'm saying those. Those. So what is those? What is those?
Those.
Yeah, those.
Those is 12.
Yeah, those is 12. Yes.
Yes. The
Yeah.
spelling is E-O-U-Z-E.
Very good. Okay, so let's revise. Okay, one more time. Hold on. Let me share this again. Okay. All right. So now can you see the screen? Yes, okay, let's revise. Okay, ons, dus, thes. So just learn the spelling of thes, 13. It is important number. Yes? Do you like the number 13? Do you like the number 13? Yes. So Srishti, which is your favorite number? Which is your favorite number?
No,
Which number you like the most? Yes. From
12.
yeah, 12.
12.
Okay. 12. Okay.
Then
Shivansh, which
number
is your favorite number? Which number you like the most? Mm-hmm.
minus octillion.
Mm-hmm. I'm talking about from 11 till 20. Okay, you have to choose a number between 11 and 20. Okay,
None of
none of them? Okay, all right. So, Moksh, which is your favorite number? Mm-hmm. Hmm? Kens? Okay, all right. Nikunj, your number?
Mine is
Minus? Okay, you can just choose any number from 11 till 20.
mine
Okay,
is 18.
don't talk about any plus or minus. Okay, just choose a number. 18.
Mine is
Okay.
18.
Okay, all right. So,
Ma'am, do you know
Shivansh,
why my favorite number
can I
is?
choose 11 for you? 11, maybe 11 or maybe 16.
Ma'am, do you know why my favorite number is 12?
Why?
Because my birthday comes on 12 and the last digit, second, is the month.
Is the month? Okay, wow.
Yes.
Great. That's great. So, you should know the spelling of 12. Yes, those.
Yes.
Okay, so which number you hate, Shivansh? Do you hate any number from 11 till 20?
Yes.
Ons? Okay. So, ons you hate. So, you should
all of
know
them.
the spelling of 11, right? 11 आप hate करते हो तो आपको उसकी spelling अच्छे से learn होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? So, ons is O-N-Z-E, okay?
No, wait, I didn't say ons. I said on.
Yes, ons, okay. So, thes and says, do you find any similarity between thes and says?
Yes.
Thes and says, do you think
Yes.
similar? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Are they similar? Okay. So,
Yes.
write thes and says and underline the common letters. Okay? Write thes and says in your notebook. Thes and says in your notebook and underline the common letters.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
so
I've
I
already
already
written
like till
Yeah.
20. So till 20, I underlined E-I-Z-E and E-I-Z-E.
E-I-Z-E. That's amazing. So, thes and says, wow. So, rest of the numbers
Ma'am,
like
look.
17, 18 and 19. Yes, that's great. So, yeah, very good. Good. Great. So, 17, 18, 19, they are similar to each other, right? This set, this with, this nuff. Yes? Moksh? Yes? So, do you find
Because
any similarity between 13 and 16? Do you think they are same? Yes, Moksh? What do you think? Yes? Okay. So can you tell me the letters? Yes? Tell me, Moksh? Mhm. Okay, all right. Okay,
yes.
all right. Okay. Mhm. Okay, Srishti. Okay. Shivansh, are you done? Have you
Ma'am, I
done
can make a
thes and
stuff from you.
okay, it's all right. So 13 and 16 written. Thes and says.
Ma'am, I can make a sum using 11, 3 and 6.
Okay, yes. All right. Okay, so next will be, okay, all right. I'm sharing another screen, okay, this one. So do you think now you can identify what is written here?
Yes.
Okay, so what is it? This is plus.
Plus.
Plus. And this is egal. Okay? Egal.
Egal means
Egal.
equal.
Egal means equal. Okay? So write these
If
two important
plus-
words in your notebook. Okay? Plus egal. Okay, plus
Dick.
egal. Yes,
I know
amazing. Okay, plus and egal. Plus egal. Okay, Srishti, read these two words. Plus egal. Read these two words.
Lose egal. 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 Lose egal.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Moksh, read
Lose
these
egal.
two words.
Move back to the number screen because I haven't finished writing both of them. I don't have.
This one,
No, the other one.
this one.
No.
I think you're talking about this one. So which one you are doing? First, second, third, fourth.
No. First, second, fifth.
There is no fifth point.
There is a fifth man.
No, there is no fifth point.
The fifth slide, I mean.
Fifth slide. Which one? Fifth slide. Fifth slide is this one? No. Just tell me which
11
slide.
to 20 numbers.
Okay, this one?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, how to pronounce multiplication and
Oh, wow. Good question. That's amazing.
multiplication and divide symbol?
Minus also, right? You
Yes,
want to know
and
minus
minus.
also. And what
Yes.
about you, Shivansh? Do you know also? Do you want to know?
No.
No, you don't want to know?
I will write in my notebook.
No. Why? Why you don't
Because
want to know? You don't want to learn how to say minus, multiply in French? You don't
when
want?
I come to that level with the other teacher, then I will find out.
Oh, okay. Good. So this time you want to know only how to say plus and equal?
Yes.
Wow.
No.
Plus as in plus. Okay. I will tell that also. Okay, Srishti? When we will do minus, then I will tell you. Okay.
Okay.
So for now, just make sure you are learning plus and equal. So plus
Okay.
as in plus, equal as in egal. Okay, more.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Okay, that's great. Okay, so read these two words, important words. Okay, Srishti? Yes,
Lose egal.
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 Egal, very good. Okay, Moksh, read these two words.
This lose cross. This
Lose egal.
Egal. Okay, all right. Okay, Nikunj, can you read these two words?
egal.
Lose and egal.
Egal. Very good.
This.
Okay. So Nikunj, आपने इसमें से whatever the numbers are written, have you learned the spelling? You have any doubt?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I have learned them.
Okay, all right. So can you tell me the spelling
Ma'am,
of ketos? Nikunj, tell me the spelling of ketos. Ketos. Wow.
Quatorze.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Srishti, can you tell me the spelling of ketos?
Q-U-E.
Yeah, ketos.
Ketos.
Yeah. Okay. Okay,
Q-
Shivansh, you know the answer?
T-O-R-Z-E.
Okay, Shivansh, yes. Do you know the answer? Ketos.
Q-U-A-U-T-R-E.
Okay. So I'm sharing the screen. Okay, read the spelling.
Q-U-A-T-O-R-Z-E.
Wow.
I said the spelling ma'am.
Yeah, very
I
good.
said the correct one.
Yeah, so ketos. Okay, Shivansh, read the spelling. Ketos.
Ketos, I read it in my mind.
Yeah, 14. Very good. Shivansh knows the answer.